Good morning from the allotment. A very cold, overcast day, and it's Operation Greenhouse Dismantling. I've managed to persuade two of my son-in-laws to come along with myself and Mick to take freezing cold glass out of the greenhouse and get it across to my plot. I'll introduce you. Michael, say good morning.
Good morning.
I'll now walk on. This is son-in-law number one. Say hello.
Morning.
Son-in-law number two.
Good morning.
Say hello. Now that's not in favouritism order, that's just as I came to them. So they're both equally just as good. So yeah, this is what we've got to do. We'll get this down and then we've got to carry it all the way around to the plot and get it hopefully sat on top of the base. There's a bit of staging in there which I'm going to try and reuse. So yep, let's crack on and see where we get. Right, progress so far. We've deglazed it. It's taken us about 45 minutes to get the glass out. So what we're going to do now is just going to clean some of the soil that's on it off. Every little bit of weight off it helps. And we're going to start the journey, which is right the way down this road across. Unfortunately enough, just beyond that little net tunnel there, there's a road that goes up the middle. And I'll take it all the way up there. So we're not far away. Hopefully have it glazed and in place in an hour and a half or so. Not setting any targets, let's see. So we've managed to get it to the plot. What we're trying to look for now is just to get a hacksaw of some kind just to take off these legs at the bottom. I want to try and cut them off at that point there because these are fastened in so it holds the whole frame together. So there's 4 of those that I've got to try and do. So we'll crack on. So folks, after a lot of hassle and messing about, finally got the greenhouse over, dismantled should I say, carried over and assembled again. It fit quite snugly, so we're quite pleased with that. As you can see there, it fit really well. The door needs some attention. It's not very good. In fact, I think that little bit in the middle there is asbestos. So that's all got to come out. The perspex that's in the door's got to come out and replaced with glass. Tomorrow I've got myself a battery operated jet wash, so I'm going to come down tomorrow if it's warmer than this, or at least the sun's out, and I'll give it a bit of a clean. So the next thing will be to get all this cleared, ready for paving. And as I say, it just needs a clean out. That side there is going to have the bedding, roughly 2 foot, and then the rest of it it'll be sort of there to that side will be the bed, then this side will be paved, and I've got some staging down at the bottom of the plot that'll go in there. So it needs a really good clean, as you can see. it's not really been well looked after. But we can put pay to that. As you can see, the mist has dropped over the plot and it's started to get a little bit cold. So with that, I'm going to leave you. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you like. Things will start getting a little bit more interesting once we get into the growing season and we start getting these beds here filled with lovely fresh vegetables. So from me, have a good rest of the weekend, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.